Okay, so I have my body over here, and in my body I have a heading, Ivan Perez, my name, and I have a paragraph, which is very simple. My name is Ivan Perez, I am a teacher. I'm gonna go ahead and write another paragraph to continue writing about myself. So far I haven't written anything about my teaching experience, but I'm just introducing myself. So if you're using Visual Studio Code, all you have to do is write the name of the element, in this case P, and hit enter. So when you do that, it automatically creates the less than sign, the greater than sign, and of course the closing tag. So you got the first opening tag and the closing tag automatically when you just hit enter after the name of the element P. So I'm gonna write I am 36 years old, and I'm gonna say I have taught, now I'm talking about my teaching experience, I have taught preschool, middle school, and high school. Okay, yeah, so those are the ages I've taught. If I click on, if I use Control Save, it automatically sends the information to the browser, and it also helps me organize here with my extensions. The ones that I'm using, I repeat, the ones that I'm using are auto rename tag. So what it does is that whenever I write an element here, when I create a tag, it renames the, when I click on P, I'm sorry, when I type P, it automatically renames the tag. And the colors, you see all the different colors. You're gonna see more colors as I add more elements and attributes. The live server, which allows me to visualize the whatever I'm coding here real time, and prettier code is another one. I think that's the one with the colors. I'm not really sure, but all you have to know is that you can use these 4 extensions. Those are the ones that I always use. I'm gonna hide this information with Control B, and there you go. So I already have that second paragraph, and now I'm going to add an image. Okay, so pay attention to the image and the picture element. It's really important. So there you go, less than img, which is image, short for image, and all I have to do is write another thing, which is the attribute. The attribute is where I'm gonna get that image. Where did I save it? So that attribute is called source. So what is an attribute? An attribute is like an adjective to a noun. So for example, an attribute to an element is an adjective to a noun. It describes this element. So attributes actually requires an equal sign and double quote, and this is where I'm going to save it. I'm going to say that the name of the image that I'm going to write is called teacher, and I need to write the name of the file and the type of file. Let's say I'm gonna use a JPG file, and I close it. This one element doesn't require a closing tag. All you have to do is write this. It doesn't need a, for example, slash image. This one is an empty element, you call it. It doesn't close. Actually, it closes right here. Okay, you can do this if you want. You close over here, or you can leave it over there. But I need my picture, and I need to save it in the same folder, and I need to name it teacher.jpg. Because that's what I wrote here. Whatever you write here is what the name of the file is, what the name of the image is, or whatever you're gonna name it. I haven't saved it, so I need to look for it. This is another opportunity to show you how to look for images and save them. so they appear on your browser. I want to look for teacher, an image of a teacher, and maybe I don't want any of those, but I want a cartoon, teacher cartoon. Oh, here it is. But I like this one. I feel represented by this person over here. So I save it, save image as, save as, and look at the type of image, JPEG. So the name of it, teacher, that's what I decided was gonna be my name. And I need to go to the same folder where I'm saving my code. So remember, is introduction, and that's where I'm gonna save it. I'm inside introduction and save. I need to go to my folder and make sure I have that information. Look, JPG. Actually, in Visual Code, you can look at the files you have in that folder. Look, it is right here. You can actually see the picture. This is where I'm writing my code in the index.html, and this is the name of the image, teacher JPG. JPG is the type of file, and I have it here, so it is correct. So when I hit Control Save, it's gonna show the picture. There you go. So you see it. I open it big. This is, remember, H1 P and IMG, image. Okay, so I'm going to, I already saved it, and that's it. So that's how you insert images in your HTML document so it gets visualized in your browser. Okay, see you next time.